Brilliantly organized 27th World Summer Universiade gave a strong start to further world-class sporting events in Kazan. In 2 years, in 2015, the sports capital of Russia will take the 16th FINA World Aquatics Championship. Competitions will be held in the following disciplines: swimming, open water swimming, diving and high diving, synchronized swimming, water polo. An inspection visit of the International Swimming Federation FINA is being held in the capital of Tatarstan in the framework of the preparation for the championship these days. The 24th of September began with a tour in the main informational center of the University Village, which was conducted by the mayor of the campus, Farid Abdulganiyev. On the same day, the meeting with the representatives of FINA was held. Such issues as the structure of the organizing committee and plan to prepare for the sports event was on the agenda. The venue tour followed the meeting. The guests have inspected the infrastructure that will be involved in the conduct of the FINA World Aquatics Championship 2015. The excursion began with a tour of the University Village. The delegation was presented living rooms, which will be accommodate the athlete participants of the championship. Further inspection of the Stadium Kazan Arena was held, which recently adopted a grand opening and closing ceremonies of the university. It will be one of the main venues of the World Aquatics Championship. Then was another key venue, the Aquatics Palace. There will be held the competitions in swimming, diving and synchronized swimming. The program of the championship included a new discipline, high diving, 20 meters for women and 27 meters for men in 2013, for the first time in the history. In Kazan, the competitions in this sport are planned to be held at a new venue, which will be located on the front of Kazanka River near the Ministry of Agriculture. The inspection visit will last for 2 days. The parties will discuss sports program, safety, accreditation system, the organization of medical care and other issues of the championship. Irina Igarenko, Kamil Ismailov, special for Kazan 2013.com.